Okay, guys, I am back, okay? I had a little hiccup here. Welcome back to my channel. I am Alicia Deshay from Dime Diva Branding, and if you're new here, we talk about all things, all ways to make money, passive income online. So we do a lot of different tips and a lot of different resources and tools. If you like this video and you think you'll like the rest, join the tribe, click subscribe. It's so easy to do. Do that for me and watch more videos, okay? Now let's jump right into it. 5 top things to sell on Shopify, on your Shopify store. If you're new to selling online, you're looking for ways to make extra money, or you're looking for ways to create passive income, you want to think about what can you sell online that you're really gonna make some money from, right? So we're gonna go down the list. 2021, what sells, what's hot, okay? First things first. Believe it or not, it's huge right now, home decor. So like what? What kind of home decor things? Things like custom rugs, okay? Funny rugs that say funny things, outdoor rugs, bathroom rugs, those kind of things, custom pillows, candles, those sell really good online, okay? And number two, this one is funny to me. When I saw it, I was like, what? But the artificial tattoos. So the tattoos that you can put on and you can take them on and off, temporary tattoos. So if you're someone who maybe you sell accessories and things like that, it would body tattoos, body art. Really popular right now, something really good to look into. Very low cost, so it could have a high profit margin. So check that out, okay? Number 3, I don't know why I'm dancing. Number 3, okay, beauty products. Yes, they're not going anywhere. They're gonna be around forever. Beauty products are huge, okay? Beauty products are really, really, really big. And so that goes into makeup, hair, all of those kinds of things, okay? And I'm going through the list kind of fast, guys, because I know no one wants to be all day. You want to get these things and you want to go make money, okay? Number 4, oh, guys, this is becoming bigger and bigger, self-care products, okay? I know I had like a little duh moment, but listen, self-care products are really, really, really big right now. And they're not going anywhere. People are learning that it's important to take care of self. So bath bombs, bath oils, skincare products, things like that. Aromatherapy, sage, if you can make the sage sticks, all those kind of things, really, really popular. And then number 5, okay? Number 5, something that's really, really good, digital products. If you are someone who can sell things like recipes, you may be good at doing pre-made templates like we do at Dime Diva Branding. We sell pre-made website and social media. I can't talk, social media templates. We sell those. So we do very well, okay? We have a 6-figure Shopify store. Digital products sell really well. People are looking for recipes. People are looking for templates. People are looking for all kinds of different ebooks and things like that. Those things do well. So let's recap, because I was kind of all over the place. You may be looking like, girl, what? So number 1, our number 1 product, home goods. Really focusing on custom things, okay? So custom decor, custom rugs, things of that sort. Number 2, temporary tattoos. I know it sounds like what the heck, but they're really popular right now. So body art, if you sell accessories, things like that, it would fit in really well with you, okay? Number 3, beauty products. Don't forget about beauty products. They're not going anywhere. It's $1 billion industry. Get you some of that coin, okay? And number 4, self-care. Now, self-care and beauty are not the same, guys. So aromatherapies, incense, things of that sort. And then number 5, digital products. Really, really, really big. Don't forget about those. Guys, I hope this list helps you. If you are someone who's looking to get into making money online, this channel is where you need to be. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Go watch other videos. We help you figure out how to better design, run your store, apps. We talk about all that kind of stuff here. And then not just Shopify things. We also talk about other ways to make money online, creating passive income online. So if you are someone who's interested in those kinds of things, please, guys, I want to have you be a part of the tribe, okay? And then I want to know what else you guys want to see. What other videos are you trying to see? What other tutorials? What things are you interested in? I want to know you. Sitting here talking to myself kind of makes me feel weird, as you can see, but I love it. And what I've realized is that what we do, we can't reach everyone. We have people who reach out to us all the time who may not be able to afford one-on-one coaching, but we can provide resources to everyone out there. I love, love, love what state we are in when it comes to being able to create freedom. Freedom is what it's about. It's not about the money. It's about freedom. Creating passive income online can give you so much freedom. I work in my pajamas with no bra on most of the time. Probably too much information for you, but hey, it's what I do. And I've been able to build a six-figure business doing that. You can too, or maybe you don't want to make six figures. Maybe you're just trying to make extra money on the side. Maybe you're trying to replace your current income. Whatever it is you're trying to do, I want to help you do it here on our channel here, okay? And I just want to be your boss bestie. Can I be your boss bestie? Yes, maybe. Okay, I promise to not be so thrown off next time. I'm probably not. I'm probably still gonna be thrown off because that's just who I am. But you're gonna learn to love me. Ooh, yes, I look good. That light right there. Seriously, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, okay? Go research, see how you feel about these things. Check them out, see what the price points are. A lot of these things can be drop shipped, or you can physically have the tangible items inventory in stock and sell it. So you have so many options. If you're looking to make money online, check out those 5 things, okay? Home goods, beauty products, temporary tattoos, digital products, and self-care. That was not in the same order. They're in no particular order of what's better, but they are the top 5 things right now. They're the top 5 Google things that customers are looking for, and they have the highest numbers, okay? E-com isn't going anywhere. Make some money, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.